Alright guys, this is Chris, and in today's video we will discuss the importance of site speed for your SEO campaigns, and also what is really truly important when considering your site speed for your SEO campaigns. And that will be in today's video. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so like I said, there's really two main or key things when determining your site speed optimization for your SEO campaigns. The very first thing and the most important thing, in my opinion, is not the overall speed, okay, of your site, but it is the time to first byte, or TTFB. So one of the ways that you want to go ahead and check this out is a site called GT Metrics. On GT Metrics, you can go ahead and put in your website. So for the sake of example, we will do www.neilpateldigital.com. Neil Patel, if you're not sure, he does digital marketing, SEO, things of that nature. He also has a tool called Uber Suggest. Recently, this is a wonderful tool, so maybe you should go and check that out. But in any case, here's what I was referring to. His page speed, we don't look at the factors, or the grade. He has a B, but that doesn't matter. What we are looking for is your time to first byte, and page speed being a primary ranking factor. What you're looking for optimally is going to be 1 second load time. He's almost 2 seconds. That is still good. They say 1 to 2 seconds is good. 1 second is great. Under 1 second is even better. So keep that in mind when you're optimizing your websites for SEO. Let's just go down here. If we go to timings, I believe it is, as you can see, his time to first byte is 481. Generally, you want to hit 2 to 300 for your time to first byte. Okay, guys? Now, the second factor that I want to cover when thinking about your SEO campaigns and the speed and everything being, optimal is, and this is crucial, how fast is your competition? So let's just say, all right, for the sake of, just having an example, let's just say that I'm a plumber, okay? And we'll say Philadelphia, okay? This is just going to be an example. What you would do is you would get your website and also one of your competitors, your main competition's website, probably the top two. What you will then want to do is, you can use any tool that you would like, but you want to do a site speed comparison tool, okay? Now, I believe there's one. What you'll want to do is compare your speed to your competition's speed. You want to make sure that your website speed is faster than your competition's. So if they're loading at 2 seconds, make sure that yours is loading at 1.5 seconds, or optimally 1 second. So really, those are the two things that I wanted to touch on today. Was page speed is very important, but more so it's the time to first byte that is most important. And then to really gauge how well your SEO page speed is doing, go to your number 1 competition, also your number 2 competition, and measure your speed amongst other metrics, to your competitions. And this will get you in the optimal level for your SEO campaigns. My name is Chris. If you enjoyed this SEO video, please give me a like, subscribe. If you have any questions, you want me to make a video for you answering a question, I would be happy to do so. Just leave it in the comments below. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.